In our previous lesson, we had entered security policies and wrote a simple rule for our users to access the internet, but our users could not access the internet because we did not configure NAT. We come under the Policy tab so that we can do NAT. Here, under the Policy tab, we click NAT on the left and create a new rule by clicking Add below. Let's call this NAT policy rule LAN to WAN. Let's come to the original package. Here is our source inside. We choose our inside zone. In our destination, we will log out of our outside zone, WAN interface. Here our destination interface is our Ethernet 1.1 WAN interface. We leave the service part in any. Here we come to the translation package part. When we come to the translation package section, we choose dynamic IP and port. Here we will do port address translation, translate both IP address and port addresses. Here we select the interface address in the translate address section. Here we specify our output interface. Our interface is 1.1. We will enable our users in our local network to go to the internet by converting their private IPs to 44.34.0.1 public IPs in our WAN interface. I say OK. Now our NAT is ready. Let's make it work by printing the changes we made to our firewall. Now that we have successfully sent our settings to the firewall, let's go to our client and test whether it is on the internet. Now I have come to our client. Let's open a web browser and test our internet access. I am writing my own website address. As you can see, we have access to the internet, so let's go to Google. Finally, let's get into Cisco. As you can see, our user can now log out to the internet. Now let's go to the firewall side again and check from the logs. When we come to the firewall side, we click on the Monitor tab here and we check our logs by clicking the Traffic tab in the log section. Here, you can have this page refreshed every 10 seconds, or you can refresh it for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or manually. I leave this in 10 seconds, a page will be refreshed every 10 seconds. Here you can see the date and time information of the log. Here you can see that the traffic went from 172.16.0.144 to 72.163.110.10 IP and the traffic was HTTPS. Here you can also see the name of the rule that the traffic is allowed and that this log matches. This is how we do the NAT configuration briefly. See you in our next lesson. Bye.